Cheers. Tears, that's tea. Check out the deal here. The 11th of July. We had an inch of rain a couple days ago. And now we're sitting at close to 2 inches since last night. Yesterday, I finally strung up the tomatoes. So now they got somewhere to grow. It's pretty cool. Instead of clumping up. And the beans. Some of them are really starting to shoot up here. This is pretty fun. Oh, it's way up to there. That's the biggest one yet. Great to see the rhubarb having fully recovered. Not everything looks as good, huh? Okay, the pumpkins and squash that got blown around so bad the other day, they sort of folded back down on their own and they're doing all right. And there's our first pumpkin. I think there may be others, but that one looks like it's going to make it. I haven't seen any flowers on any squash yet. That should be happening pretty soon. Carrots are going really well. Awesome to see. A few beets hither and thither. Potatoes in my mind are totally sucking. Fern's digging in some scraps. All said and done. Could be better, could be worse. These beans are starting to go to town a bit too, as are some of those sunflowers on the outside. So all said and done, we'll see. Some of it's looking pretty good. Some of it's a bit of a challenge. Sounds like life.